Okay, after removing the spark plug, you want to inspect it to check the coloring of the plug to see how your motor's running. If it's brown, that means it's normal. If it's a grayish white color, it will be too lean. And if it's a dark color and it smells like fuel, that means it's too rich. And then if it's broken or chipped up, that means usually pre-detonation. And after you're done inspecting it, you can either put it back in or you can replace it with another one. The reason you should check the spark plug is so you can see how, if it's running rich or too lean, so you can know if there's any more gonna be any more damage to the bike, and you can check in further in the bike and see if there's any damage. And if it's brown, then it's okay and you're good to go.